So what's up guys, today I'm going to review the cheapest keyboard you can get, and it's actually good, not like a trash keyboard, and it's actually like a bundle with a scuff mouse. The mouse is definitely the worst, but the keyboard is very good, I'm telling you. So this is just a quick review because my PC is broken, it's stuck in attempting repairs, so I can't do shit, can't do anything but like wait for the quarantine to end and repair go buy the new SSD, because I mean HDD, because I have no like storage left, like no SD, I have no SSD or HDD. So yeah, I'm pretty it's pretty shit right now. So this is the keyboard guys. I will show you the mouse first because this is the mouse. It's actually deluxe. So if you can see, it says deluxe. Yeah, it's a deluxe mouse. It's not bad. It's not, I mean not bad, it's very bad because it's not soft. See, I have to press hard to click. It's not like this mouse, like very soft, very good. And I bought this for like $5 gaming mouse. It's very good. Like I don't play any FPS games, so it's good for me. I only play League of Legends or Dota 2. And this is the keyboard guys, the deluxe keyboard. Yeah, I was hoping for like 10k less, but yeah, it's alright for $3. So the clicks are the clicks are so loud, like it's very loud, like, but it's okay, it's just $3. This is just my it's supposed to be my temporary keyboard because my mechanical keyboard is broken, so I don't have time to fix it. But it turns out this is just great, and buying a mechanical keyboard is not necessary for gaming like MOBA games. So yeah, this is like $3. You can buy it on your physical store. What I bought it on our store. So yeah, it's pretty good. $3. Yeah, imagine that. So yeah, thanks for watching.